My name is Simply Animated and welcome to my channel. So today I have like a little summer glam makeup tutorial for you guys. I was kind of nice about this color combo because at first I want to do like a darker purple on my lids and have it like, yeah, anywho, it's going to be like way different than this. But it came out better than I expected. It's been a minute since I've been on camera. It's been a lot going on. I tried to record stuff, but they just didn't come out right. So yeah, I'm back. So can't tell I have new lighting. I will link down. I'll link down the lighting in my talk today. I will link my new lighting down below. Thank you guys for the support. I really appreciate it. Was supposed to say that at the end, or can I say it now? I want to say it now. Thank you guys for the support. It's 400. I think it's 455 for you guys, if I'm not mistaken. But I want to thank you guys so much for the support. I'm really trying with my content on here. I'm having a hard time like being myself on here, like being creative and just being myself. But anywho, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more content. You guys like it, and stay black, stay blessed, and stay beautiful. I'll leave everything down below, and peace out, A-Town. FaceTime, no iPhone. Catch me when I'm in my zone. Okay, but I'm not a rapper though. Can't see you.
Love is always had a way of having that timing. But to my great surprise, ever since I looked in your eyes, I had one question for you. Tell me if you want me to give you my time. I wanna make it good for you.
Do y'all see this? This is like not separating. Like like this a lot better now that it's melting into my skin a little more. Yeah, I like this. This is nice. Shout out to this Morphe spray because my skin looks a lot better. I like how this looks now. It looks a lot more natural. To me that is. I don't really know about this lip. When I see what my mom says, I think it's a no. Cause I think it's gonna be a no. Cause I really want to try, like, want to use this lip that we had on. Well, I really want to keep the same lip that I had on top of the video. This lip gloss with the little purple iridescent stuff in it. But yeah, I'm back.
Diamond on the weekdays. Got so much pressure. That's why this song be stuck on replay.
I didn't do the. Is it like that? Oh. Okay, I feel like that's more like it. Period. There you go. Precious. I'm trying to record, okay? Titi trying to record. Hey girl. Since you right here, say hey. Say hey. We're like, what is that? Y'all in the country and it's like a lot of bugs and stuff like that, like unknown bugs. Species of bugs. I'm just like, I'll go try to snatch a thumbnail. I'm not really good with like thumbnails and stuff like that. I'm trying to get better because like the my face be beat, but the thumbnail don't do it justice. And it's like, bro. But anyway, bye you guys. Catch you later.